Go-Away Bird by Julia Donaldson and Catherine Rayner. The Go-Away Bird. The go-away bird sat up in her nest, with her fine grey wings and her fine grey crest. A little green bird flew into the tree. I'm the chit-chat bird. Will you chat with me? We can talk of the weather and other things, like the colour of eggs and the aches in our wings. But the go-away bird just shook her head, and what do you think she said? Go away, go away, go away. I don't want to talk today. You're much too chatty, you're oh so scatty. Just the sound of you drives me batty. So listen to what I say. Go away, go away, go away. A little red bird flew into the tree. I'm the peck-peck bird. Will you eat with me? There are juicy berries on every twig. We can peck, peck, peck till we both grow big. But the go-away bird just shook her head. And what do you think she said? Go away, go away, go away. I don't want to eat today. Your eyes are beady, you're much too greedy. Just to look at you makes me seedy. So listen to what I say. Go away, go away, go away. A little blue bird flew up into the tree. I'm the flip-flap bird. Will you fly with me? We can spread our wings, we can soar up high. We can cartwheel all through the bright blue sky. But the go-away bird just shook her head. And what do you think she said? Go away, go away, go away. I don't want to fly today. You're whirly and whizzy and much too busy. Just the sight of you makes me dizzy. So listen to what I say. Go away, go away, go away. A brown bird hovered above the tree. Good day, I'm the get-you bird, he said. I see I'm in for a special treat. You're the very bird that I want to eat. But the go-away bird just shook her head, and what do you think she said? Go away, go away, go away. I don't want to be your prey. I'm feeling weary. You're much too scary. The situation is getting hairy. So listen to what I say. Go away, go away, go away. But the get-you bird said, now that I've met you, I'm going to get you, get you, get you. Then a yellow bird waddled towards the tree. Hello, I'm the comeback bird, said he. He opened his bill and began to quack. Come back, come back, come back, come back. And back flew the others, 1, 2, 3, all the way back to the tree. And the 5 little birds all rose together, a noisy mob of fluff and feather, red, blue, yellow, and green and grey. And they chased that brown bird far away. Then the go-away bird hung down her head, and what do you think she said? You can stay, you can stay, you can stay. I do want some friends today. Let's start playing, no delaying. Let's get hopping and hip hooraying. Nobody go away. You can stay, you can stay, you can stay. The end.